In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pre-filled links for Google Forms. If you've ever wanted people to open your form with certain answers already filled in, maybe a default email, a selected option, or a pre-populated message, this is exactly what you need. Pre-filled links save time, reduce errors, and guide respondents to answer the way you intend without extra instructions. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser. This is where all your Google files live, including Forms. Once you're in Drive, look for the Apps section in the sidebar. Interfaces change from time to time, but you should see an area where Google's core apps are listed. Click Apps and then choose Forms. That will take you into the Google Forms homepage where your existing forms are available. Select the form you want to work with. You can pick any existing form that you want to share with default answers. After the form opens, look to the top right for the More menu, which appears as three vertical dots. Click that to reveal additional options for the form. From that menu, choose Prefill Form. This opens a special mode designed for creating pre-filled links. You'll see your form as if you're about to fill it out, but instead of submitting it, you're going to capture a link that remembers the values on this screen. This is useful when you want consistent starting points, like a default choice or a preset text block. If you don't need to set any defaults, you can simply continue. If you do, this is where you choose them. When you're ready, scroll down to the bottom and click Get Link. Google Forms will generate a unique URL that stores whatever selections or entries are present on the page. Next, click Copy Link. This puts the full pre-filled link on your clipboard so you can use it anywhere: emails, chat, websites, or internal documentation. To confirm everything works, open a new browser tab and paste the link into the address bar. Hit enter and make sure the form loads with the values you expect. If something looks off, go back to pre-fill form, adjust the values, and get a fresh link. That way, everyone who clicks it will see the correct defaults right away. That's it. You've created a pre-filled link for your Google form. Share it with your audience, teammates, or customers to streamline responses and keep your data consistent. If you update your form later, just repeat these steps to generate a new link that matches your changes. Thanks for watching and happy form building.